Hello friends, welcome to TechVedas. Friends, in this short video, let's try to understand the concept of null pointer. We will see what is null pointer, why they are used, and some of the applications of null pointer. First, let's try to understand what happens when we don't have null pointer. Say there is a local variable I which is defined inside a function. Can you guess what will be the output if we try to print the value of I without initializing it? Since it's a local variable which is stored in stack memory, from the stack memory concept, if we try to print it, it will print a garbage value. This is with respect to the normal variable. Now let's see how a pointer will behave under same condition. We have a local integer pointer variable which is not initialized yet. If we try to print the value stored in this pointer variable, can you guess again what will be the output? Same, from the stack memory concept, all uninitialized variable will have garbage value. There is no problem with this statement. It will print the garbage value. The problem comes when we try to dereference this uninitialized pointer. So what could be the result here? Hard to say. Let me explain why. We are trying to dereference a address which we don't know where it could be. The garbage value could be another process memory used by operating system, or not a valid memory location at all. In any of the above case, one thing is guaranteed: program crash. So we have seen how harmful it could be to keep a pointer variable uninitialized. So let's initialize it with some known value during pointer declaration. Null pointer indicates that the pointer does not refer to a valid object. This is interesting, as after initializing a pointer with null, still it remains invalid. But as a programmer, we get a good control over it. Null pointer is a preprocessor macro which is defined to 0 under standard library stdef.h. So initializing a pointer with 0 means pointing to 0th memory location. And in C, dereferencing a null pointer is not allowed, and by doing so, it can result in memory access violation. So what is the use case of null pointer? The first use case is to validate a pointer variable. See in this code, by initializing the pointer variable with null, how much control we got over handling the pointer. Now with this guard condition, we will only dereference it if it's a valid pointer. Null pointer is also used during dynamic memory allocation. If we take an example of malloc, for some reason if malloc is not able to allocate the required memory, it will return null. It is always recommended to do a validity check for the pointer returned from malloc function before dereferencing it. So friends, here we come to end of this video. I frequently make such informative videos. Consider subscribing my channel for all future updates. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.